What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Thank you so much for coming by. We have a massive update about a new rideshare company that I wanted to tell you all about. It's called Kro, K-R-O. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I made a video last week about them, about this company launching, and it went viral. And by viral, I mean it got like 4,000 views, which for this channel is a lot. And a lot of the people in the comment section were really excited that there's a new company that could potentially, you know, do some good for the industry. And again, do your own research. I don't know much about this company. I'm just, you know, giving updates because this is what the people want. So thumbs up the video, my friends. I would really appreciate that. And I also wanted to tell you all about our sponsor, Current. Current is a bank that I have right here on my phone that I use. And they actually pay 4% APY. As you can see, I'm starting to earn interest. I wanted to just check it out and make sure it worked. So you see right here, and you can get paid up to 2 days faster. If you're a gig worker, you can get paid 2 days faster, no fees, no account minimums. Check it out down below. There's no fees when you go negative up to 200 bucks, and you actually get a ton of cash back on your gas fill-ups. As you can see here, they got tons of gas stations that you actually earn money. Again, it's totally free. You know, they have a promo right now. Check it out down below. And now let's get started, my friends. So this is it. It says Kro Drivers. This is from the Kro Drivers Facebook group. It says, hello, Kro members. Welcome to Kro. I'm a Kro member because I'm in this Facebook group. And it says, I wanted to give everyone an update. Our website should be available by the end of the week. And we're still working toward an end of July launch date on the app. Marketing materials will soon be available to drivers in New Jersey as well to spread the word about Kro, and will be posted in this group. Those of you that need access to previous Kro posts may do so by clicking on the featured button at the top of the page where they have been pinned. So we're gonna go to that real quick, just so we can all look at that together. If you're not in the group, then you know, obviously you won't have access to this. So I can't see the pinned area, but let's see. This is just the overview about it. It says, we're in the pre-launch phase and we'll be launching the Kro app in coming weeks. We have been working with developers for a year and are finally almost ready to launch in New Jersey. We will have the website up and running within 2 weeks. Why they're launching in New Jersey, I'm not sure. The Kro platform was founded by a group of drivers who believe in fairness and change, including better pay. We are not affiliated with any other entity, and this is 100% driver-led platform. Thank you for joining us. Head to the YouTube channel, learn more about Kro. Now, I believe I did, I did make a post in the group. I can't remember, but I do remember them saying that it's an 85-15% split. So you get paid 15%. You do get tips. Question was asked yesterday about minivans or XL vehicles. The answer is drivers will earn more. Drivers will still earn 85% of the fees, but it will be higher earnings because of XL rates. We'll be posting driver earnings for XL in the coming weeks. See our current post about X earnings. Oh yeah, here we go. These are the earnings update. Listen, look at this, my friends. We got details. Details, details, details. And, you know, I'm excited. You know, they're saying launch in the next week. Let's see, you know. Again, I'm not paid by them. I haven't even talked. I talked to the founders just on Facebook on posts, like literally just in the comment section. But anyways, I haven't seen anybody else talking about it, and drivers seem interested. So let me know if you'd be interested in joining this app, or if you like the structure, or if you had feedback, because I'm sure, you know, they'd love to hear feedback. It says, we'd like to explain our fee and earning structure for Kro X. Oh, sounds like Uber X. Maybe not. Why don't I call it Kro Y? Kro X. With Kro, you will notice some key differences between us and other major rideshare companies. Yeah, let's get started, my friends. First, we are offering 85% of all ride fees with KRO. Following is the earning structure. $1.25 a mile. What do you guys think about that? 25 cents a minute. You think it should be higher? You think it's good enough? I think that is higher than Uber, though. I know in like even Los Angeles, it's like 70 cents a mile, I'm pretty sure. Kro also charges not only for the ride, but also pickup. 50 cents per mile, 15 cents per minute. Drivers receive this from the time drivers accept the ride to arrival at passenger pickup location. Once passenger is in vehicle, Kro pays drivers $1.25 a mile, 25 cents a minute. For example, if it takes drivers 8 miles, 12 minutes to arrive at the pickup point, drivers will be paid 50 cents a mile, 15 cents per minute. This will drive to the location. I like how they do give examples. That actually is super helpful. Unlike Uber, I haven't heard Uber like lay out rides like this, examples. 8 miles will take 12 minutes to arrive at pickup point. Driver earns $4 for 8 miles, $1.80 for 12 minutes. Total pickup charge, $5.80. Not bad. Driver made $5.80 before passenger gets in the car. This pricing structure is unique to Crow. Our first launch will be in New Jersey. New Jersey drivers will also be paid an additional fee due to the fact that you have a drop-off out of state. New Jersey drivers are not allowed to pick up riders in other states. By law, drivers must drop off riders and drive back to New Jersey for the next pickup. We're therefore compensating New Jersey drivers, so they are following the law, which is nice. I mean, you could tell that they know the laws. We are therefore compensating New Jersey drivers fairly who complete drop-offs in other border states that don't include pickups. Basically, New Jersey borders a bunch of other states, notably New York. A lot of people live in New York or live in New Jersey because it's cheaper, and then work in New York. I've been there. I've taken the metro from New York to New Jersey. It's literally like you can go under the water, and it's fast. It's a quick ride, and a lot of people drive across the bridge, and so I wouldn't be surprised if Crow drivers get a lot of those rides. All drivers doing drop-offs in other states that don't allow pickups will be paid an additional 70 cents per mile. Woo, sheesh. And an additional 15 cents per minute. This will then total $1.95 per mile and 40 cents per minute for over-the-border drop-offs. The additional fee will only be paid for over-the-border drop-offs when no pickup is allowed. Crow also offers drivers additional earning for pickup or drop-off at airports. Drivers earn $10 airport pickup bonus, $5 airport drop-off bonus. Because Crow believes in fairness, drivers are paid 85% earnings on every ride. There is no surge metric charge with Crow. We believe surge metric charges are not fair to the rider. We are compensating drivers for no surge metric charge with 85% earnings on every ride and paying drivers for pickup. We believe in fairness to all. Pretty sweet, yeah, and very positive comments here. Looking forward to the company with I mean, honestly, you could just tell that they care. Like they're going the extra mile to, no pun intended, to like lay out all these examples and be actually super transparent with everything, and not just say, oh yeah, you're gonna make $50 an hour, and then by the way, you know, you're actually not. Like they're showing the facts here, and drivers appreciate that. Looking forward to launch in Delaware and Pennsylvania. I like it. Sounds too good to be true. Can't wait for y'all to come to Alabama. Anyone knows that they're going to be in Florida? We will be expanding into Florida later. Our app will be ending next month, and we'll be launching in New Jersey not long after. We will be posting updates. Honestly, it sounds like they're kind of riling up the troops here, like riling up people to get ready. And I don't know, guys. What do you guys think about this? Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day. Bye now.